Hello everybody, welcome to Boss Box Breaks, double box break at 12/13 limited, ended June 15, 2015 at 7:36 p.m. Central Standard Time with Michael Stordo in Winnipeg, Charlie Hanna, and Dave FB. Welcome to Boss Breaks. You both had 5 or more teams. You'll get some cards in the mail regardless of what happens today. It is the next morning, 10:54 p.m. or a.m. Central Standard Time, Tuesday, June 16th. First serial, ending in 921. Good luck. We got some bonuses at the end, as usual, unless you're new. Alright, good luck. Everything ships, everything is numbered to some degree, so. First one going to Boston. Milan Lucic base, Danis, 33 at $2.99. Straight into a Phenom Silver, and that's 38 of 49, Scott Glennie, Dallas. And that's Charlie Hanna. We will have a redemption for the Los Angeles Kings and Dave FB. Limited rookie redemptions. That'll be numbered out of $4.99. And between Florida and Boston, so between Charlie and Dennis, limited travels Nathan Horton. Do that at the end. Got a Joe Sakic limited jerseys for Colorado. Dave FB. 71 or 99. For Toronto, trophy winners, Phil Kessel. He won a trophy. What? Just kidding. Okay. 59 out of 199. And a silver base, Nathan Grip. 40 out of 49, Buffalo. Grass J. Grace J? Crack J? Something, for sure. Where is it? 579. I don't even think I broke plastic there. Holy crap. That was a week. Week box breaks. There's a spanky card in there. Like, there's a 14-pound card in here for sure. See that? For Florida, Brian Campbell. Base, Charlie Hanna. 60 out of 299. And the monstrosity of a card looks like it'll be random between Ottawa and Toronto. Toronto is Dave FB. And Ottawa is Charlie. Net assets, 17 out of 99. Joffrey Lupul and Daniel Alfredson. Piece of net and 2 jersey swatches. Awesome sausage. We have a redemption for the Calgary Flames. Limited rookie redemptions. Tofu Hockey going to you. That'll be numbered out of $4.99. Probably have Sven Berchi. Matt Clark Phenoms. I will have to look that up, unfortunately. I'm terrible with that sort of stuff. And we snuck in a private signings rookie of Adam Larson. Very nice. Michael Stordo, that's going to you. I will check for numbering. It's limited, but there is no numbering. We've got a Mark Messier Stanley Cup winners for New York and Arizona. There you go. Numbered 120 out of 199. And last card minus the randoms, another Milan Lucic, but it's the board members. That's 40 out of 199. And that's going Dennis. Another Lucic card for you. And Matt Clark is going to be Anaheim. There you go. So, Anaheim and Michael Stordo, Matt Clark goes to you. Alright, so the first one we're going to do here. First of all, we use our 30-sided die. And then Florida is going to be 1 to 15, and Boston is going to be 16 to 30. So Florida's Charlie H and Boston's Dennis. That'll go to Florida, and Florida is Charlie H. Nathan Horton. Alright, now for the net assets, 17 out of 99, Joffrey Lupul and Daniel Alfredson. Toronto is going to be Dave FB, and Ottawa is going to be Charlie Hanna.
Toronto is 1 to 15.
Toronto will be 1 to 15, yep, same as last, and then 16 to 30 for Ottawa. 30 it is for Ottawa, Charlie H. You'll get net ass. Ha 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 ha. Congratulations. So, yeah, we'll do this quick. We're going to do a no-hit bonus. That's going to go to Team 17. Charlie, good job. And a bonus for anybody. Team 7. JNC, good to see you, bud. Jeff and Colin. Bonus 2. So, what are you going to get there, Charlie? First door. Got yourself a numbered jersey of Derek Raw. That'll be from the old certified, and that's 360 out of 399. There you go. Jersey, where is that? Where am I here? Where am I here? Alright. JNC. JNC will get the back door. The old school pack. A Shot Masters. Alexei Yashin. An all-star card. Brett Hall. No, that's old school. And a Game Winners moving card. Paul Correa. So a bunch of awesome retired players. There you go. Thanks for coming to Boss Box Breaks. Checking us out. Hopefully we see you guys next time. We got breaks happening all week long. Just go to our site and check us out.